So winter 2022, 426 indoors, up on jacks, wheels are off, brakes are about to come off, canopy's off, seats are out, seat rails are out, loads of room, brilliant. All the panels are off the aircraft at the moment, 90% of the panels are off. This is to do a survey on the airframe and the electrics and the hydraulics, all the systems we need to have a good look at. So that will tell a good story of where the aircraft is at, what we can do to potentially preserve it for a lot more years to operate the aircraft. Obviously we're fully live, one of the only aircraft indoors that's fully live and accessible. So with the survey, there's some defects we're going to be sorting out. The parachute, so hopefully you'll see a parachute come out next year. The fuel tanks, we're inside the fuel tanks now, the guys are in there, you'll see some more of that soon. That's cleaning the fuel tanks, so there might be some fungus in the tanks. That's like before in one of the previous updates. We're going through, cleaning the tanks out, they'll be serviceable again for next year. The canopy, that's going to be worked over the winter, so it's a good way of getting out the aircraft. What else have we got? The air brakes. Andy and Keith are doing the air brakes at the moment. There's a chain, one of the links is seized on it, so that needs replacing, so that's going to be done now. Non-destructive testing, we're going to be looking at the undercarriage just to check it's all in good health. The engine's going to be boroscoped to check everything's all well with those. So just so much stuff that is going on now. So we've got a potential date in April that we're looking to work to. There's a bit of fat built in the programme. So hopefully then on this date in April the aircraft will be off jacks, fuel in the tanks, pushed outside, engine running. If only it sounded that easy and that it would go that easy. Hopefully it will, fingers crossed. So from what we're doing down here now, obviously we're doing all this work, but people, I'd love everybody to come and see this work going on in the aircraft. Best way to do that is a VIP tours. So have a look at our website, avrovulcan.com. You'll see all the dates on there for the VIP tours next year. It is by far the best way to have a look at the aircraft. You can come down, meet the team, see what's going on, have a cup of tea with us, spend some real good quality time down here, turn a couple of spanners. So one of the things we have been doing down here is paperwork courses. It's just getting the team up to speed on the paperwork system. Every job that is done on this aircraft needs a job card raised on it. You want to take this door off, you raise a card. If you want to go and take the canopy off, you raise a card. Anything needs paperwork down here. It's traceability, it's safety. So, you know, if you come down here on a Wednesday, who's done what on the aircraft then? So we need that step there to make sure we know exactly what's going on. It's the same in industry, which I'm absolutely used to. You do all these job cards and you've got the history of the aircraft there, all in a check pack. So that's what we're doing. That's another really good thing. It keeps us on the right side of safety, keeps everybody safe. That's the name of the game. That's what we're doing. So the other things that are going on in the hangar at the moment and the offices, it's refurbing some of the offices. So the appeal for Hangar 6, it's still going. We still need money for the hangar. We still need money to get the aircraft back onto the floor and everything done with that side of it. So I just want to say a big thanks to everybody on the team down here that are working on the hangar, working on the aircraft, working on the stand, you name it. I just want to say a big thanks to everybody. And all our supporters, a big thank you to you. I want to wish you all a happy Christmas and we'll see you in 2023.